Students, in order to submit your paper using Google Drive, you'll need to have two things open on your computer. The first is Mid-Michigan Community College's website. Simply go to www.midmich.edu. Once you're at the website, please open your paper. You probably saved it in Microsoft Word. If you're not using Word, open whatever program it's in. Once you have your paper open, you're going to want to copy the entire document. There's more than one way to do this. You can simply click and drag, or at the top of the screen you can there's a way that you can select all under the Edit tab. Select all. Once you've selected the entire essay, you want to hold down the Control button and C. That's going to copy the entire document. Once you've hit Control C, minimize that window and go back to your browser. Log into the portal as usual. Click Portal. Log in. Put in your username and password. And from there you'll see Drive. You'll want to click on that. Now that you're in Google Drive, you're going to want to create a new document. Right here you'll want to click Create, and you'll see there's several options available. The one that you'll want to choose is Document. So click that. And you're going to find that it looks very similar to Microsoft Word and other similar programs. Now, the next step is to actually paste the materials from your original paper into this Word document. To do this, simply hold down the Control button, CTRL, and then push the V button, V like Victor or like Velcro. My entire paper is now in a Google document. You'll notice it said saving for a few minutes, but once that a few seconds have passed by, it's going to save the entire thing for you. So you don't have to save it. It's in there, and it's in there as long as you want it to be there. Next step, and these are very important steps, so you may want to back the video up a few times to make sure you do this correctly. Very important. First thing, you'll want to name the document. So where it says Untitled, double click that please, and give it a title that has your last name in it. I'm going to type in my last name and AMS. That's the type of essay. Click OK. Now I've got my document. It's saved in Google Drive, and it has my name. The next step is to share it. Please follow this very closely. By default, it typically says who has access. You're going to want to change that. You're going to want to select People at Mid-Michigan Community College with the link. This is going to allow me and other members of the portfolio committee, other professors, to have access to viewing your paper. So please click this option. Save it. And then from here, you're going to want to invite me by email so that I know that the paper is now visible, and so I have the link also. It's available only by this link. So down here you'll want to type in my email address. And for me it's ntysick@midmich.edu. Make sure this is checked so it'll notify it. If you want a copy of it, you can click that, but you don't have to. And I would put can view, so I don't edit your paper accidentally. Just make it so that I can view it. So you've got your link up here. People at Mid-Michigan Community College who have the link can view it, and you're going to send me an invitation. Make sure that's checked. Click Share and Save. Make sure you click Done, and then you're all set. If you have any questions, please talk to me during class, my office hours, or shoot me an email, and I'll be happy to further explain how this works. Thanks.